what's new at PDQ.
What is new?
What is new? Where do we want to start? Do we want to start in what's new in Connect or what's new in Deploy Inventory?
Let's do Deploy Inventory because we have a new dashboard in there.
We do.
Both of them.
Yep. So new in PDQ Inventory and Deploy is this dashboard with all kinds of like relevant information quickly at your fingertips and shortcuts to like the most common actions.
You might have to run an update to get it.
You will.
FYI, yeah.
Yes,
I did.
You will have to be on
Okay,
the
yes,
version.
you will.
Yep. So there it is for Deploy, and here it is for PDQ Inventory.
It's pretty.
It is pretty.
It is really pretty.
Yeah. Moving on, in Connect, I almost said Detect, but in Connect, it's here. We talked about it, what, 2 weeks ago?
I know. It's almost like they listened to you.
Yep.
Do you think they did?
No.
Oh, okay.
2 weeks ago, we teased some of this, but bulk install for the remote desktop agents here, as well as all of the notify end users settings.
Yep.
So if we want to actually look at those, we can come into, I clicked the
Settings. Yep.
I can click onto settings.
And
I can come to remote desktop, right? And I can set these, hey, notify, and they have to approve. And then it's this global change.
Yep.
Additionally, from the devices tab, I
Click
can
'em
select
all.
devices and I can install the remote desktop agent in bulk.
And it will stay forever.
Yes.
So those are the two things we talked about. And there are some enhancements to the vulnerabilities tab. We already covered those last week. So
we did.
Same thing we just talked about.
So that's the news and the new from PDQ.
Thanks for watching this segment from PDQ Live. If you like this, you'll love the full show. Check it out every Thursday at 10 a.m. Mountain. Oh, and like and subscribe, please.